everyone. Nighty-night. Have a good sleep. Huh? I heard a scary noise.
Me too. What if it's a bear? Wait! We're bears. What if it's a person?
I'm scared.
Listen, everyone. There's nothing to be afraid of. Let's just look at our story. The three bears hear a scary noise. Okay, I was wrong. We can be scared.
We need to help the three bears not be so scared. And us. Don't forget us.
But how?
Super Y to the rescue! With the power to read, I can change the story and save the day. Let's change the word scary in this sentence. Zap. Y-Writer, right. Super readers, what kind of noise would help the three bears not be scared? Terrible, friendly, or loud? Let's try friendly. Where's the word friendly? It starts with an F. There! There. Zap. Zap. Let's read. The three bears hear a friendly noise. Hello!
Oh, I'd recognize that friendly voice anywhere. That's not scary at all. It's...
Did the word friendly help the three bears not be scared? Yes! Yes. Super job, super readers. We changed the story, and now the three bears aren't scared.